एक बहुत ही अच्छा statement Mahatma Gandhi has said once upon a time. He said that one human life well lived is good enough. एक जिंदगी अच्छे तरीके से जिएंगे तो दैट इज गुड इनफ, उससे ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? बार बार दुनिया में आने का जरूरत ही नहीं है अगर हमने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ये जिंदगी जी लिया तो. एंड हाउ कैन यू लीव दैट वन लाइफ गुड इनफ? is by way of maximizing your potential. Every one of us have got the potential, like probably Mahatma Gandhi, right? But some of us use that potential, some of us do not use that potential. But भगवान ने, right, खुदा ने हम सबको एक ही तरीके से भेजा है, ये दुनिया में. All of us have the same amount of potential. The number one FA IM in your branch, the MDRT, TOT, COT, FA in your branch, and you are the same potential people. But some of us maximize your potential, some of us do not use our potential. But if you want to live that one life very, very well, that itself is good enough. And the day when you decide that I am going to use my potential to the best, and that is when you become a Mahatma. For your family probably, but in your society probably, when they will turn you from a normal Gandhi to a Mahatma Gandhi, or a normal person to a person who is really worth enough. So start using your potential, and like what all my colleagues have said, 14 days can actually be a turning point for all of you. Some people who have actually maximized their potential, I want to show this picture of Edmund Hillary, and I'm sure all of us know about Edmund Hillary. Edmund Hillary was the person who climbed the Mount Everest for the first time, and he actually made the way to many people after that to follow him. And Edmund Hillary, when he was trying to climb Mount Everest, interestingly, there was a story which has been said that he tried around 10 times and he failed. 10 बार उन्होंने कोशिश किया और वो fail किया, right? He couldn't climb and reach that summit at the top of the Mount Everest. And Edmund Hillary one day looked up to the Mount Everest. वो Mount Everest के top में देख के Edmund Hillary ने बोला कि hey Mount Everest, you are just a mountain. You will not grow further, but I as a human being is going to grow further and climb you one day. And on May 29th, 1953, he did that. That's called as maximizing your potential. वो Mount Everest को challenge दे रहे, वो Mount Everest को बता रहे कि आप एक mountain हैं, आप grow नहीं कर सकते और आगे, but मैं एक human being हूँ, मेरी हिम्मत और बढ़ सकता है, and I will use my potential, I will maximize my potential, and I will conquer you one day. And that's what he did in 1953, May 29. 14 days. I'm not asking you to climb Mount Everest. MDRT, COT, TOT, Kuala Lumpur, all that is very, very, very small. Even if you scratch one part of your potential, you can qualify for Kuala Lumpur, Vienna, MDRT, etc. No big deal at all. But 14 days, if you decide to do that, I think you can turn to be a Edmund Hillary or of your branch. There's a very interesting saying. They say that the number one and the 1,000 ranked person, both of them have got same amount of time. Yes or no? 24 hours time is there for the number one or the MDRT or a Kuala Lumpur qualifier, and it is the same amount of time which is available for a 1,000 ranked person or a 2,000 ranked person or an inactive person. But who enjoys the most? You can see in this picture only the red color chest soldier is the one who enjoys because he is different from the rest of them. आपको खुद को डिसाइड करना है कि आप एक लिमिटलेस पॉसिबिलिटी, आप एक लिमिटेड पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है. यू आर नॉट दैट लिमिटेड पॉसिबिलिटी. आपके पास थोड़ा सा ही पोटेंशियल है, वो नहीं है आप. अब यू आर एक लिमिटलेस पॉसिबिलिटी. कोई लिमिट नहीं है, right? You can do anything if you decide to do in the next 14 hours of time. And I can tell you, our PNB MetLife, many of the IMs, many of the FAs, probably some of them will do even 50 MGFP in the next 14 days of time. Some of them may do 100 MGFP in the next 14 days time. जो लोग डिसाइड करेगा कि मैं आगे छोड़ूंगा नहीं, 24 hours में 4 hours I will sleep, 20 hours I will go and meet my near and dear ones of time, so that I can get maximum benefit out of this. To decide that you have to maximize your potential. Also start believing that you are a limitless possibility. आप छोटा नहीं है, right? भगवान ने आपको बहुत टाइम लेके, he has sent you to the world out of many options which he had, right? It means that you are a limitless possibility, and if you decide to actually grow, you can really do wonders in the next 14 days of time. There is an interesting saying that right? Those of you who have studied physics knows about it. Atomic energy, right? Atomic energy can be used to destruct a nation, or it can be used to generate electricity for the entire nation. Right? Same atomic energy है, वो atomic energy use करके पूरी nation को electricity दे सकता है, या कि वो same atomic energy use करके पूरी nation को distract कर सकता है. All of us remember about what happened in 1945 in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. जो अमेरिका ने एटम बॉम्ब डाले थे, same atom है वो, atomic energy है. The reason why I quoted this example is because every one of us have got that potential, that energy. Some of us use that energy and potential to do great in life, bring light to our life, bring electricity to our family, and get a lot of assets and success. But some of us, right, use that energy to distract ourselves. Distraction मतलब ये नहीं बोल लो कि मैं बुरा करना है आपको distraction के लिए. What you will do, doing nothing is itself is also distraction. राइट 14 दिन की आपके पास अभी अपॉर्चुनिटी है एमजीएफपी बहुत ज्यादा बेचने के लिए, एमडीआरटी करने के लिए, राइट, और मे बी डूइंग कोलालमपुर एंड अदर स्टफ, एंड इफ यू डोंट डू एनीथिंग, दैट इटसेल्फ इज डिस्ट्रैक्शन, राइट. दैट इज नॉट क्रिएटिंग एन एक्साइटिंग electricity or energy or something great for your family, etc. So my request is that 14 days, use this opportunity to sell maximum MGFP to your customers. Interesting example. Right, all of us can see this picture. It's beautiful mangoes, and you think about a mango tree, right? A mango tree is valuable only when it starts giving mangoes, right? Think about a mango tree. If you have a mango tree at home, right, you will pour water for 1 year, you will pour water for 2 years, you will pour water for 3 years. After that, you expect the mango tree to start giving you mangoes. Maybe 1 more year you will be patient enough, maybe 5 years you will be patient enough. But 5 साल के बाद भी अगर mango tree if is not giving mangoes, what will you do? Right, you will cut the mango tree, right? Because you're not getting any benefit, and it is only taking the space of your home or probably your land. You will think that I will fix another mango tree or some other plant which will give me a result. The mango tree is valuable only when the mango tree starts delivering results, which is mangoes. And it is the truth. It's a simple truth of life. And you can learn that from the nature, is what the first example is. Look at the second example. A painter is valuable only if he start delivering great paintings. Without he delivering great paintings, even Picasso is not a great painter. Picasso भी decide करो कि मैं painting नहीं करूंगा आज से. Nobody will value Picasso after that. That Picasso has been successful because he was delivering great results, which was delivering great paintings. Similar is your case, my case. If I deliver 60 crore rupees of premium in December, I am valuable to the organization. If I do great to my family in terms of buying new clothes, buying different things and creating wealth for them, I am valuable to my family. Similarly, you become MDRT, you create more wealth for your family, you do value addition to your customers, then you are valuable, right? Otherwise, you are like that mango tree which is not giving mangoes. You are like a great painter, but not delivering results in the form of a painting. Take the example of musician. He can be an A.R. Rahman, but he is not valuable as long as he is not delivering results. We love A.R. Rahman because he delivers results. He delivers great music. Right? We don't love A.R. Rahman because he looks very handsome at the age of 45 or 50. Right? We do not love A.R. Rahman because he got converted from one religion to another religion, and he is very bold about telling about it. He's very liberal. That is not the reason why we love A.R. Rahman. We love A.R. Rahman, and for us, A.R. Rahman is valuable because of the great music which he produced. You are valuable only when you deliver results.